The Chinese premium electric car brand has revealed its latest offering, the Nio Et5 Touring, an electric estate that combines sporty performance, high-tech features, and practicality. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Let's see the new 2024 Nio Et5 and what's new for 2024. Stay tuned and we will find out today. The ET5 Touring has a sleek and smooth fastback style design with ultra-slim LED headlights, side air intakes, and a full-width rear light bar. The roofline gently flows rearwards, creating a spacious and aerodynamic profile. The ET5 Touring shares some styling cues with its main rival, the Tesla Model 3, but also has some distinctive features, such as the bulges above the windscreen that house some of the 33 sensors for the autonomous driving system. The interior of the ET5 Touring is designed to be a second living room with a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The dashboard is clean and minimalist, with a 12.8 inches AMOLED center display and a 10.2 inches HDR instrument cluster. The air vents are hidden behind the trim. The door handles are flush and the doors have soft close function. The ET5 Touring also has frameless windows, 256 color ambient lighting, and a Dolby Atmos 714 surround sound system. The ET5 Touring uses sustainable materials, such as Clean Plus fabric made from recycled bottles, and offers plenty of comfort and convenience features, such as heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof. The ET5 Touring also has a novel AI virtual assistant called Nomi, which can interact with the driver and passengers through voice, gestures, and facial expressions. The ET5 Touring is powered by two electric motors, one on each axle, delivering a total of 483 bhp and 705 Nm of torque. This allows the ET5 Touring to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4 seconds flat. The ET5 Touring is offered with two battery options, a 75 kilowatt-hour unit that provides up to 270 miles of range, and a 100 kilowatt-hour unit that extends the range to up to 347 miles. The batteries can be recharged from 10 to 80% in 30 and 40 minutes respectively on a fast charger. The ET5 Touring also supports Nio's unique battery swap technology, which allows the driver to exchange an empty battery for a fully charged one in less than 5 minutes at one of the Nio Power swap stations. Nio plans to have 70 of these stations in Europe by the end of 2023. The ET5 Touring is already on sale in China and some European markets, such as Germany, Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. The UK launch date has not been confirmed yet, but it is expected to be in late 2024. The prices for the ET5 Touring have not been announced either, but they are likely to be slightly higher than those for the ET5 Saloon, which starts from €60,900 in Europe. So, what do you think? All the information in this video is unofficial. Still, the official specs, features, and 2024 Nio Et5 will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.